body baby oh, ah, his body baby oh, yeah yeah, it's a bad man thing, yeah yeah.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is blow dry my hair. This is the minimal heat part. This is the only heat that we're putting in our hair is a blow dryer. And I got my blow dryer from Marshall. This is called the Gym Force Intense Symmetric Science. So yeah. So the products that I'm going to be using is this Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. I freaking love Cantu products, so this is probably like the fourth product you've seen. This is pretty much empty. There's nothing in here. I don't even know why I still have it, but let me just spray what's left all over my head now. And then I'm going to go in with the Mizani TheraSmooth. The kind of wording has smeared off some, but this is another heat protectant. I like to use this as well. I only do like one drop. Yeah, I'm just going to do that all over my head and do it in the sections and do braid by braid. So, here we go. First, we're going to get out our Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. This is great for moisturizer. I love this. I'm also going to use the olive oil Wrap and Set Mousse. This is the Hold and Shine line. So I like this too. This is really good for hold. So we're going to use this for hold. And then once I finish, I'm going to add just a little bit of the Gots to Be Glued Hair Free Spray. Just for that extra added hold. But again, I'm only going to add a little bit because we don't want it to be crunchy. We want it to just be a good hold. You're also going to need some perm rods. I'm using the white size, this size. So yeah. guys, here is the finished style for the night. I'm going to tie this down. I'm going to take this out probably late tomorrow evening. I tried to do them like medium size so that I didn't have too many in my head. And I did 2 rows back here. I did 2 rows in the back because I want it to kind of be like a layered effect. Since my hair is kind of like all one length, it'll give it that layered effect. You'll see that tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to take down this hair. I had it in for about a good 12 hours. And I did my makeup just so that this look can come together. So this is what it looks like next day. And let's get to taking these down. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am super satisfied with this French braid out, as I call it, since they were French braids and some perm rods at the end. This is exactly what I was going for. More of a relaxed, less tight curls, but still flowy and a natural soft look. It's nice and soft from the Cantu curling cream, and then hold from the olive oil satin shining wrap or wrap and shine. And I am so satisfied with this look. I hope you guys like it. And it didn't take that long, just like the other hairstyle. It does not take that long. So if you found this hairstyle helpful, please leave a like or a comment below and let me know what you thought of this style. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that post bell notification so you're always updated every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.